The top 5 physical features women notice in men. So, you've been grinding at the gym. Cool. But if you think that's the number one thing women look for, you're missing the mark. The truth? It's the subtle features, the ones you probably overlook, that grab their attention the most. No filters, no fake flexing, just the real stuff that matters. Ready? Let's break down the top 5 features women actually find irresistible. Number 1, the strong jawline. This one might surprise you, but women notice it immediately. A defined jawline isn't just about looks. It's a signal. It speaks masculinity, strength, and resilience. Picture any confident, magnetic man you admire. Chances are that sharp jawline plays a role in the vibe he gives off. Now, here's the mistake most guys make. They think they need tricks, contouring, grooming hacks, even surgery to make their jawline stand out. Wrong move. A strong jawline isn't built in the mirror, it's built through your lifestyle. Eat clean. Stay hydrated. Keep your weight in check. Train consistently. Even simple things like fixing your posture can make your jawline look sharper. The key is this: when you're healthy and confident, it shows, and your jawline becomes a natural badge of discipline and strength. Takeaway? Take care of your body, and your jawline will take care of itself. Number 2, well-defined arms that signal strength and vitality. You've seen it before. The kind of arms that grab attention without even trying. There's something magnetic about arms that look like they were carved from stone. But here's the truth. It's not just about looks. Well-defined arms are a symbol. They show discipline, health, and energy. They say, this is a man who invests in himself. Now, here's where most guys miss the mark. They hammer out endless bicep curls or tricep dips, thinking that's the secret. Wrong. If you isolate just one area, you lose the bigger picture. Real strength and the kind of arms that stand out come from balance. That's why compound movements are your best friend. Push-ups, pull-ups, rows, deadlifts, these work multiple muscle groups at once. Over time, they don't just make your arms look better, they transform your entire physique. And the benefits? They go way beyond attraction. Strong arms represent consistency, discipline, and vitality. Imagine walking into a room. No flexing, no showing off. Yet people notice. It's a quiet kind of respect. A look that radiates health, confidence, and presence. So next time you hit the gym, don't just think about building arms. Think about building balance. Because when your whole body is strong, your arms don't just look good, they stand out naturally. Number 3, a deep voice, confidence and reassurance. There's something magnetic about a deep voice. It carries weight. When someone speaks with a rich, resonant tone, people pay attention. It's not just sound, it's presence. A deep voice signals confidence, authority, and reassurance, making others trust and respect you almost instantly. But here's where many men go wrong. They try to force it. They think lowering their pitch equals power. The result? A strained, fake tone that feels uncomfortable to everyone listening. The truth is, depth isn't only about how low your voice goes. It's about how you use it. Speak slowly, with purpose. Breathe from your diaphragm. Keep your posture strong. When your voice flows naturally, it carries stability, calm, and quiet strength. That's what people lean in to hear. A deep voice paired with confidence isn't just a trait. It's a tool for influence and connection. Now, number 4, clear, glowing skin. It's subtle but powerful. Healthy skin instantly signals vitality, energy, and self-care. It's your body's way of showing how well you treat it, on the inside and out. And yet, too many men ignore it, thinking skincare is only for women. That's a mistake. Neglect your skin, and you deal with dullness, irritation, and premature aging. The good news? It doesn't take much. Start simple. Wash your face daily, stay hydrated, and wear sunscreen. Just like the gym or your diet, skincare is part of the foundation that makes you look and feel your best. These simple habits go a long way toward keeping your skin fresh and glowing. Taking care of your skin isn't just about appearance, it's about health. Imagine walking into a room with skin that looks vibrant and refreshed, is subtle yet undeniably magnetic. Healthy skin doesn't mean flawless, it means radiating energy and vitality. And that, my friend, is something everyone notices. Number 5, broad shoulders, strength and protection. Broad shoulders have always symbolized strength, reliability, and protection. They give off a natural sense of power, making you appear not only capable, but also dependable. Whether you're stepping into a meeting or out with friends, broad shoulders send an unspoken message: you're in control. But here's where many men slip up. They chase size for the sake of size, loading on bulk without balance. Huge shoulders with little attention to the rest of your body can look awkward, even disproportionate. The real secret? Building functional strength that develops your entire upper body. Push-ups, pull-ups, overhead presses, and rows aren't just shoulder builders. They also improve posture. And posture is what transforms wide shoulders into a commanding presence. Picture yourself standing tall, shoulders back, naturally broad and strong. That's not the forced look of a bodybuilder. It's the effortless presence of a man who embodies strength without trying too hard. Broad shoulders don't just look good. They signal capability, confidence, and protection, qualities that always get noticed. Build them with balance, and you'll carry strength into every situation. Bonus point: confidence, the ultimate enhancer of physical appeal. Here's the real game changer: confidence. It doesn't matter how sharp your jawline is or how wide your shoulders are. Nothing amplifies your appearance more than owning who you are. Confidence is the invisible force that makes every feature stand out. Now, don't confuse it with arrogance. Real confidence isn't loud or overbearing. It's calm, grounded, and magnetic. It's about being secure in yourself, comfortable in your own skin, and carrying that energy wherever you go. And here's the truth: confidence doesn't come from a mirror or a gym. It comes from within. It's the belief that your worth isn't limited to your looks, but tied to the person you are. When you walk into a room with that energy, people notice. Your presence grabs attention, and it sticks. Think about it. You could have the best physique in the world, but what people remember most is how you made them feel. That's the power of confidence. It radiates, it attracts, and it makes you unforgettable. So yes, your physical traits matter. A strong jawline, broad shoulders, clear skin, all of these signal strength and vitality. But the glue that holds it all together? Confidence. When you truly own who you are, everything else is amplified. Before you go, check the links in the description for tips and tools to help you sharpen these traits. If you made it this far, drop a comment to show you're part of the real community. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching.